Yo, what's up? This your boy Nicholas. As you can see, I'm inside Forex Factory right now. So if you're new to the platform, you'll be confused. There's a lot of people on the forums. 3 minutes ago, I see somebody replied, say the Chat GPT 5 thinking model says it's insanely difficult, so it's safe. So you need to know what you're looking for, okay? Because there's a lot of stuff you can here on Forex Factory. There's a lot of people, but since this video is about fundamentals, I'll just filter everything. Go to, you can see here on Sunday 17, I mean September 14. Go click here on more. You can see Monday September 15, 12:30 NZD, yellow folder, business NZ, business New Zealand services index. You can see uh, the previous forecast, actual detail and graph. So you can see on this yellow folder, um, let me open it. You can see they talk about the source, level of diffusion index, all that blah blah blah. So you can see like on Monday September 15 all day we got gray folder on JPY. It's a bank holiday. So when it's a bank holiday, there is a high possibility that the market won't move, you know. Or the market will move because most people they make a lot of money when it's a bank holiday, you understand? So the market might move, the market may not move on a bank holiday. So you just have to know for your fundamentals, you understand? So on Monday, we're gonna have a bank holiday on JPY all day. So, and then we also have this orange folder at 4 a.m. in the morning, CNY, which is Chinese currency, industrial production, retail sales, orange folders. Yellow is just a normal day, it's just a normal day. Orange folders, I think it's just a normal day, I guess. And then Tuesday, September 16, you can see starting from quarter to 1 a.m. NZD, yellow folder, FPYMM. Then we're gonna have red folder days. You can see 2 p.m. on Tuesday, September 16. We're gonna have fundamentals like on Canadian dollar, CPI. So we're gonna have fundamentals. You can see it's red folders. Median CPI, trimmed CPI, and orange folder, which is a normal um, day. 2 p.m. on Canadian dollar, we get common CPI, and also we got the fundamentals affecting USD from 2 p.m. We got core retail sales and retail sales affecting US dollar, which means everything that you trade for example, gold. Gold is metal, and then it's a pair that is affected. Everything that affects the dollar affects gold, which means that these fundamentals on Tuesday 2 USD core retail sales, these fundamentals are going to affect gold. So something will happen on Tuesday 2. You understand? So me, how I prepare is that I will come after 30 minutes and check what did the market react to the news. It's always safe that way. So let's go to Wednesday. We got another fundamentals, GBP, CPI, red folder days, 8 a.m. on Wednesday. And we got quarter to 4 p.m. Canadian dollar, bulk rate statement, overnight rate. So people who are like trading forex pairs, so they need to know on Wednesday, like there will be fundamentals. Canadian dollar will be affected heavily, like crazy. 4 p.m. Canadian dollar also is affected. Bulk press conference. I don't know what bulk means, but 8 p.m. you can see we got FOMC affecting US dollar. So Nasdaq will be affected. SP 500 will be affected. US 30 will be affected, gold will be affected, USD JPY will be affected, Euro USD will be affected, USD CAD will be affected. All pairs that has the dollar, it will be affected. And then FOMC is the biggest news event compared to all the NFP, CPI. To me and what I've seen, the market is not really respected. Honestly, the candlestick will move like crazy, and like, yo man, if it's buying, it will break the ceiling. If it's selling, it will dig a big hole, you understand? So you need to make sure you are prepared for this form, because on Wednesday it's a big clash, form statement. And once that guy, if it's 1 minute to 8:29, no 8, 7, 1 minute to 8 p.m., then there will be a lot of volume increasing until the time hits 8 p.m. o'clock, and then you get those big effects on the market because of fundamentals. And Thursday, September 18, we got fundamentals on New Zealand dollar, GDP. I think is gross domestic product, I guess. And 3:30 a.m. we got fundamentals on AUD, Australian dollar, employment change, unemployment rate. Also, these fundamentals are important because they are red folder days. And on 1 p.m. we got fundamentals GBP. The price goes up if it's GBP. So we got fundamentals, monetary policy summary, MPC, official bank rate votes, official bank rate. So it's gonna affect Great Britain pound. So, and 2:30 also on Thursday we got fundamentals, which means that it will be a very good day to take positions. Like this current week that we're going is going to be the best week, I'm telling you, because there will be a lot of volume in the market, because fundamentals will be affecting all these pairs, like all instruments back to back. So there'll be like those crazy movement. Expect nice movement in the market and volatile movements. Friday, September 19, we got fundamentals on Japanese yen, BOJ policy rate, monetary policy statement, and then it's like the time is tentative. I don't know what is tentative, but yeah. And then Saturday, September 20, all day Euro USD, and then yeah. So fundamentals, they affect the market. So if you know how to use them, most people have realized, I've seen it on social media. Most people, they take positions before the fundamentals hit, you understand, which is good. But if you are not good with fundamentals, if you are still new and you're still a beginner, I would advise you to come 30 minutes after and see how did the market react to news, you understand. How did the masses, the majority of people, if they are buying gold at 2:30, then you need to know, um, when will I enter at a safe place, because the most important thing is to know where to put your stop loss. If your stop loss, it is at a right place, then you stand a chance on uh, taking something out of the market during that session. It's either it's London session or New York session, but I realized that most fundamentals, they occur during New York session, because you can see it's 2:30, 2:30, 2:30. But forex pairs also, it can be affected during Asian session and London session. But USD pairs, anything that has USD, it's all about New York session, and 2:30 is the common time for all these fundamentals. So yeah, man, thanks for watching the video. I'm still cooking more videos about day trading, and prop firms, and futures prop firms. So yeah, see you on the next video. Yeah. And if you're still looking for a broker that you can trust, there's only one broker, Xness. So Xness is the only broker I recommend because you get your withdrawal instantly, faster than you think. So Xness is the best broker which you can trust. And if you want a prop firm, I recommend Alpha Capital Group, ACG. I think they are the best. Also, they got best dashboard. And another prop firm is Funded Next. Also, I recommend another prop firm is Funding Pips. Also, I recommend, and the rest I don't know. But also I recommend Pip Farm. I'm going to make a video about a Pip Farm. They are selling $100,000 trading account for just $245, which I have to buy really soon. So 100,000 trading account for $250, no, $245, which is a good investment because yeah, which is good, man. If you know what I'm talking about, like 100,000 USD, man, what are you waiting for? But anyways, see you on the next video. Yeah, gang.